Your credit score is delicate and can be easily damaged. It can take a long time to recover from negative hits to your credit score, which is why it is important to know what damages your credit and how to avoid it. Here are 5 ways to avoid damaging your credit. 1. Avoid having a high debt-to-income ratio. You often need some good credit to get approved for more credit, but having too much debt and not enough income can cause your credit score to fall. Creditors look at your overall rating and consider your debt-to-income ratio when underwriting a loan. 2. Pay your bills on time. Sometimes, situations happen that prevent us from paying our bills on or before the due date. Oftentimes, creditors do not offer extensions on repayment without adding on additional fees. They also report your account's inactivity to major consumer credit reporting agencies, which can lower your score dramatically. 3. Minimize your lines of credit. Did you know that having just one hard inquiry on your credit report can drop your score by as much as 15 points? Your inquiries tell creditors how eager you are for money. This could raise a red flag to lenders and may result in a denied loan application. 4. Choose alternative credit lines. Look for loans that don't affect your credit score or require a perfect score to get approved. You could enjoy fast cash when you need it without the rapid decline to your credit rating. 5. Get an installment loan for quick cash. If you fall behind on your bills or are met with an unexpected expense, getting a signature installment loan could be an option to consider. Installment loans are convenient and easy to obtain. To apply, all you need is a state-issued photo ID or a driver's license, proof of income, and a blank check from an active checking account open in your name. Once you have these 3 things, you can get started immediately by filling out a free online form on our website. Soon, a loan representative will call you to explain the process and answer any questions you might have. Once your application gets approved, usually in as little as 30 minutes, you'll be on your way to getting the quick cash you need as soon as the same day or next day. Don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons for more helpful videos coming soon.